Hi and welcome to a brand new tutorial. This is Peter from Jantasat. We'll be learning how to develop mobile games, that is 2D game development using Unity engine. We'll start with our game idea, then expand our game idea into Sketch, then UI design, then UX design, which will lead us to coding with Unity engine. Then we do monetization with various ways that are available. Then publish our game and start earning. Remember to subscribe and turn on notification bell. Our game will be a simple game. It's based on mathematical operations, that is addition, subtract, multiplication, division, where we display some numbers. Then the user is supposed to apply mathematical knowledge and match the numbers that give us the results in the selected numbers. It's more like a Candy Crush game. When the user is able to solve the puzzle, they move to the next level. If they are not able, then we provide a way to either redeem more time or to restart the game. Hopefully you will enjoy developing this game. You can also check the link to my playstore profile where you can download and play some of my games. Thank you and welcome.